This video will look at reference drawings, how to add and convert them from DWG format, and how to add them into your project. Note that increased compatibility with DWG layers has been implemented from version 2018 onwards. To help speed up the conversion into Vertex BD, if you have a DWG or equivalent format drawing and need to bring these in as a reference drawing to draw your project directly over it, it is necessary to first bring in the drawing into BD by dragging the content from its location. You can then select if it's reading to a 2D drawing or a 3D model if this option is active. Now select the DWG conversion process, choosing Default and clicking OK. The DWG will open in BD. However, in order to prevent the DWG conversion process running every time you open the project, we should save it in the Vertex proprietary drawing format, which is .vxp. To do this, go to File, Save As. With this being used as a reference drawing, it is advisable to save it directly into the project so that if transferring the project elsewhere, it will remain part of it. First, go into the Shared folder, into Projects, and then into the project and into the Ref folder. BD will automatically open this location when adding the reference drawing. Now enter the file name, change the save type to 2D drawings.vxp and click Save. We can now proceed with putting in the reference drawing. With the Modeling tab active, hit the Reference Drawing menu and go to the Reference Drawing command. Under File, we can select Previously Used Reference Drawings, or this button will allow us to choose a drawing. Once clicked, it brings us to the previously created Ref folder. Select the one to use and click Open. You can then put in the description of the reference drawing if you require, which will be shown in the Reference Drawing Properties window. There are also further options in the Reference Drawings column. Select Location will snap the origin of the reference drawing to the cursor for easy placement. However, having this unchecked will place this at the project origin. Use Reference Color will bring the drawing in a pale blue color that is easy to distinguish. You can also control which drawing layer the reference drawing will use if different from the default. Freeze reference drawing will save a local copy to the project so that any changes made to the original drawing are not changed in this project. Finally, the Visible Layers column allows the user to select which layers are brought in from the original drawing. This will allow you to easily select from the imported DWG layers themselves or from the Vertex BD layers. Upon finalizing the options, the reference drawing should now be attached to the cursor for placement. Before doing so, notice the various options in the contextual toolbar. For example, the K for altering the scale, as well as options for rotating and mirroring the drawing. We can then place the drawing in the required location. However, should you need to move the reference drawing, this is achieved via the Move option in the Reference Drawings menu in the Modeling tab. Upon using the command first, choose the reference drawing to be moved. Now pick a reference point, which will be the attachment point on the cursor. Now simply relocate the drawing. With the reference drawing in place, we can now begin setting up our wall attributes, which will be in the next video in this series. Thank you for watching.